Please don't laugh. So we're down to the last 25 seconds. 3. Okay, it's overflowing. I think I took. And you really need to seal it correctly. This is to make sure it doesn't contaminate. Today we received this ART kit. It's a Self-Swab Antigen Rapid Test Kit. We received it from our daughter's school. See the brand. And the letter from the school said we need to try it today to see if it works or to see if there's any problem, and also for us to familiarize how to do it on our own. So, in addition to the testing kit that we have, I also prepared a resealable bag because the instruction of the video is that you need to, after using it, you need to put it inside a resealable bag and then an additional plastic bag to double it to make sure that you don't contaminate anything else. So, we're going to try it now. So, I need to take out one swab stick. This is the swab stick. One extraction tube, and this I think is the test cartridge. So loosen the cap of the extraction tube and take out the cartridge from the packaging.
Ow. Okay.
Quite tight, so that's why I asked for you to loosen it. Oh my gosh. And I need to wash my hands again. No, it's okay. So this is how the test cartridge looks like. Looks like a pregnancy kit. And she's laughing about it. Okay, this is like that thing. Don't touch it, please.
Okay.
So, and this is the swab stick.
No.
I'm watching the instructions as I do it, so please bear with me. So take out the swab stick, which is this. Insert the swab stick into the nostril. Said 2.5 cm, but the video that I watched said around 2 cm.
Can you do 1.5?
Especially if your nose is quite small. Can you remove your thingy? Okay. She looks different. This is not her. Okay. I don't know how to do this.
I'll do it.
You do it? You think? If you feel like crying, then that's enough.
Okay.
No, I think this is. You tried. You tested it, right?
Until there. I think until here lang.
Okay.
Until the end.
Do it, I think. So into nostril. Is it too much?
No, okay. It's ticklish.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If she felt like that, then I'll repeat that for the other nostril with the same swab. Sorry. Please don't laugh. Or now?
It's not uncomfortable. It's very ticklish.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I can breathe very well now.
Then insert the swab stick in the extraction tube. Plunge the swab up and down for 15 seconds. Start timer. So we have a timer. See?
Yes.
So that's the difference from the...
Okay, sorry. Time's up.
Okay, time's up. Next, squeeze. Oh, squeeze? How do I squeeze it?
You put this on top.
So I don't... Do I remove this?
Oh no, I have. Okay.
Yeah, I need to remove this.
No, that's not what it means. So it says squeeze the tube when you remove it. So you need to like squeeze this while you remove it, while extracting it. So I guess it can get the leftover stuff.
Okay. Next, close the extraction thingy.
Tightly.
You should hear a click. Okay, I heard it, but it's a very faint sound. Use your finger to tap the side of the tube a few times. This helps to mix the solution.
Yes.
And squeeze 3 drops onto the sample well of the cartridge.
The sample well is this thing where it says the 3 drops.
Yeah.
Right there.
So how do I do that?
You just flip it upside down through the top part.
1, 2, 3. Okay, it's overflowing. I think I took like enough samples from you. And you can see that it's starting right here. You can see that it's starting to move. And it says wait for 15 minutes before checking the results on the test cartridge. Please keep the cartridge on a flat surface during this time. So that's what we did. Put it on top of this table. And we'll start cleaning up the others as we wait, because 15 minutes is too long. We'll get back to you later after 15 minutes.
2,000 years later.
So we're down to the last 25 seconds. See, we timed it and used the link from the government. And you can see that is the result. And that's the swab that we used, and we placed it right away to the same plastic. Last 2 seconds. Okay, so my daughter actually said the result is already out. Then I said, we have to wait. So it says your results are ready. Take an image of the cartridge around 10 centimeter away with results visible. So I think do we need to use that?
I think it's only if it's positive though.
Take photo. No, use this please. Let's see, use photo. Let's see if it works. Or said if we take picture. We take picture.
If we want to.
Oh, okay. Makes sense. Okay, so these are the results.
So this is the result.
So you can click which result you found, and then it will ask you to confirm it. See, your results are negative. Thank you for testing proactively to keep Singapore safe. Thank you. Good job. So we're done. And increases the result, which shows negative. Pretty sure she's negative, but then you're asked to test for a reason. For you to try it and for you to familiarize yourself in using the Self-Swab kit. Okay, so it said we need to bag all test kit materials and seal it. So everything. So even this thingy, like everything that we used. And then seal it tightly. Okay, and then place it into a second bag and seal tight with a rubber band or cable tie. Okay, give me a second, I'm gonna get it. And you're supposed to directly throw it away into the rubbish chute or a pedal bin, like right away. You can't put it in the bin inside your home or like in your toilet or whatever. You need to throw it right away. And you really need to seal it correctly. This is to make sure it doesn't contaminate. Even though the result is negative, you need to do that because the accuracy rate of the test is not 100%. So it's safer to do it this way, to dispose it this way. Okay? So that's it for today's video. For our first try of the swab kit. It wasn't as bad as we expected. I dreaded it for like weeks, although I feel that maybe I didn't go very deeply, but I think it still served its purpose because her nose, you can see, is pretty small. So even the swab itself already reached this part, and since I'm not a medical professional, I don't want to like dig deeper and then cause something to my own daughter. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Until our next video, stay safe everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.